An ex-bank manager, Mr. Mahesh Rastogi believes that life at work is easier as compared to life after retirement, and credit goes to 9 to 5 routine. He further shared that life gets harder post-retirement as loneliness, sadness, and emptiness takes over person's life completely, which results in diseases like high BP, stress, diabetes, and the list is endless. Something similar happened with Mr. Rastogi too. But with his great conscience, he was able to fight with it. At times, we all take inspiration from movies we watch. So did Mr. Rastogi. He watched the movie Club 60, and from there, his life took a 360-degree turn. Now, he is not only living his life every single day with enthusiasm, but also motivates others to cherish each and every moment of their life, which helps them to stay away from depression. The movie is based on the story which shows that we can beautify our lives even after retirement, provided we come out of our bed, meet people, laugh with others, go to park, do some social work, and many more things. Always remember, excess rest brings laziness and then diseases. Let's see how did Mr. Rastogi change the life of other retired people too. To keep himself busy, Mr. Rastogi started organizing game events and get-together functions in park. Not only this, he also formed a club named as Club 60 along with his 15 retired friends on 15 September 2015, in which they started many creative works. They celebrate each and every member's birthday and anniversaries together by giving them bouquet or offering a treat. Apart from this, Club 60 group hosts yoga workshops, laughter therapy sessions, spiritual sessions, teaching classes for underprivileged kids, cleanup drives, training people about decomposing. They take care of society parks, plan tours, or do many other social works. By doing all this, they have encountered so many achievements. Like, they have built sprinkler and drip irrigation system in Tagore Park. They have maintained around 100 homes for birds. They had distributed almost 200 cloth bags to save environment. They also created Jeevan Sathi group on WhatsApp, under which they started finding life partners for the single men and women. They distributed masks, soaps, and sanitizers to more than 800 people in Corona pandemic. They organized poster exhibition on waste management as well. His success in every aspect of his work is an inspiration for all. And as a result, everyone contributed to bring improvement in their own capacity. Nearby people started working on their parks with the contribution of Mr. Hari Vishnoi and Sudhir Sharma along with all the other members. Now Noida, Lucknow and Nagaon are adopting their work models. Their future endeavors includes planting organic plants, installing solar lights and open gym. Because of their work, Club 60 is a precedent for all of us. DM and Municipal Commissioner has recognized them for their social work. The ward number 26 reserved first place in Swachh Survey. On 30th June 2019, their work was appreciated by Honorable Prime Minister as well in his show Man Ki Baat. In October 2019, they were awarded with 10,000 rupees along with Water Hero Award. Along with this, they were also selected for Karamveer Award. Now many people want to be a part of this club. Even children give the example of Club 60 to their parents. Mr. Mahesh Rastogi strongly feels that to stay away from boring life, it is very important to stay mentally and physically fit. In order to make your retirement days better, do something of your interest, which also welfares the society and motivate others to do the same. This is the best time to return what you have got from the society.